Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is May 21st, 2025, and we're going to take a look at Tesla, both from a news perspective and a chart perspective. We'll be looking at the news and seeing how it might be affecting Tesla's price action. First, let's take a look at some headlines. According to Yahoo Finance, Elon Musk is telling investors not to worry about the stock price, that it's in a good place. There's also news about Tesla's Robotaxi plans, which are set to debut in Austin in June. Investors Business Daily notes that Tesla stock has edged up recently. With these headlines in mind, let's move on to the charts and see what they're telling us. Let's start with the daily chart. We see a volatile period from January to March of 2024, followed by a strong rally into December of 2024, peaking near 488.54. Since then, we've seen a substantial retracement, finding support around the 140 level in April of 2024. Currently, the price is hovering around 343.82 after recently trading as high as 354.99. We saw a large gap up May 21st, 2024, which could be related to news of the Robotaxi, with the price reaching 194.05, but then pulling back and not holding those gains, before continuing upwards to reach the 354 level in late spring of this year. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart for a more granular view. Zooming in on the most recent price action, we can see Tesla consolidating around the 340 to 350 range. There seems to be resistance around the 355 level, while support is forming near the 340 level. If we look closely, we might be able to see hints about whether the Robotaxi news is impacting prices at a smaller time frame. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart now to analyze intraday movement in more detail. We can see Tesla was trading as high as 354 at one point recently, but then began its retracement to the current price. It has reached that retracement, and it is unclear whether it will be able to hold its current levels, which seem to be a key point. The most recent candle suggests the price might be trending down and trying to find support. The current prices are just before market open, so look out for a potential increase in volume and volatility, and how the opening trades affect the direction and volatility of the price. In summary, Tesla is trading around 343.82, with resistance around 355 and support around 340. Positive news regarding the Robotaxi rollout could act as a catalyst for a breakout above 355, potentially targeting 375 in the short term. However, weaker than expected sales data or negative sentiment regarding Elon Musk's leadership could trigger a breakdown below 340, leading to a test of the 300 level. Keep an eye on volume and news catalysts. A decisive break of either the 355 resistance or the 340 support will likely dictate the short-term trend. Good luck trading!